Hey guys! So over the past couple of weeks I've been seeing a lot of unread book tags and people doing videos about series that they want to start or series that they want to finish, and I have so many of both that I thought I would kind of combine this into one massive summer TBR, and I'm going to be calling this my Unfinished Series Summer. Basically, this means that I'm going to be trying to finish as many series as possible this summer that I already own, because I'm trying not to buy any more books after going through my shelves today and realizing just how many unread books I have. The first series that I'm going to be reading is the Inkworld trilogy, which starts with Inkheart, which I actually started yesterday and I'm about there now. I actually have read this one before. I don't know if I've read Inkspell, which is the second one in the series, and I just got Inkdeath, but I'm very much looking forward to finishing up the series. Reading it again, I really remembered how much I love it. It's the perfect book if you're a book lover or you like books about books or books about book lovers, and I will be doing series reviews on all of these series once I finish them. It starts with Inkheart, continues in Inkspell, and ends with Inkdeath. The next series that I'm going to be attempting is the Peter and the Starcatcher series, and there's 4 of these. Again, these are middle grade. These are by Dave Barry and Ridley Pearson. Again, I've read this first book, and this is Peter and the Starcatchers. I read this a long time ago and really wanted to finish the series and for some reason never started reading it, so this is the first one. The second one is Peter and the Shadow Thieves. The third one is Peter and the Secret of Rendoon. And lastly, there's Peter and the Sword of Mercy. Now, this is another middle grade series, so this should go fairly quickly even though there are 4 books. I know that I really enjoyed the first one back when I read it, so I'm excited to see where the rest of the books take us, and they're kind of a take on Peter Pan mythology. So I know that it looks like I'm only reading a bunch of middle grade so far, but I'm also going to be trying to read a few young adult series as well, and the first one of those is the Annals of the Western Shore trilogy by Ursula K. Le Guin. This is also an older series, but I've had them forever, and I just got the 3rd one this year, so I want to actually try reading these. The first one is Gifts, then we have Voices, and finally we have Powers. And can I just say, look how nice these look together. Look at the consistency. And finally, for a newer young adult series, I'm going to be reading the Lunar Chronicles by Marissa Meyer, and we have Cinder and Scarlet, and I'm super excited to start both of these. Aside from the Inkworld trilogy, I don't really know what order I'm going to be reading these series in, and I do plan on kind of breaking up the series with adult books or standalones, or some classics, something else, so that I don't get sick of series. Basically, this is me trying to read as many of my unread books as possible this summer, because generally what happens is I come home, I read about 4 books really quickly, and then it kind of fizzes out and I go into coma TV watching mode. It's not that I don't want to read them, I just kind of go into reading slumps, so I'm hoping by assigning myself some of these that I will actually finish my reading goal for the summer. Also, I'm kind of behind on my 50 books challenge for the year, so I'm hoping that reading some of these easier books will help me to catch up a little bit. This also means that I'm going to be starting monthly wrap-up videos to go along with my favorites videos, because I hopefully will be reading a lot more, and I'm not sure if I will continue these into the school year. So that is my unread series summer TBR, and if you guys would like to join me on this and maybe finish up some series or start some series that you've been putting off for a while, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you're going to be reading. Also, my 100 subscriber bookmark giveaway is still going on. It's going to be going on until June 1st, so I will link that video at the end of this one in case you didn't get to see that. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will have another video up soon. Bye! See, this is what happens every time I make a video. Just absolute chaos.